Children, let's learn about the tea history. How and when did people first begin to drink tea? It is an amusing story from Chinese legends. It is said that Emperor Shennong, the father of Chinese agriculture and medicine, was on his travels. A servant was boiling some water for the emperor to drink. Just then, a few leaves from a nearby tree blew into the boiling water. The water immediately changed color. On drinking the water, the emperor was amazed by the rich flavor and the refreshing quality of the resulting infusion. Excited by the unknown plant and its amazing flavor, he carried out further investigations and discovered that tea had many healing and restorative properties and could also be used as an antidote to certain poisons. So children, this was the story of tea according to Chinese people. Here, let's do some chapter recap. Let's see how much you remember the story. We will have a question-answer session. My first question is, how is tea, the beverage, made? It is made by brewing or boiling the leaves and shoot of a plant in water. How is tea that is packed and sold to us made? The leaves are at first dried, cured, and processed before they are packed and sold to us. What is the botanical name of tea? Camellia sinensis. Where are tea estates located? Many of the world's best tea estates are located on hill slopes at elevations of up to 1,500 meters. Why are tea plants pruned? Tea plants are pruned to enable easy plucking of the leaves. How are types of tea classified? The teas are usually classified according to their leaf size. What is the characteristic of Assam tea? The characteristic of Assam tea is that they have the biggest leaves. What is the characteristic of China tea? The characteristic of China tea is that they have the smallest leaves. What is the characteristic of Cambodge tea? The characteristic of Cambodge tea is that they have leaves of intermediate size. What does tea contain? Tea contains theanine and caffeine. What does it not contain? Tea does not contain carbohydrates, fats, or proteins. Who was Emperor Shennong? Emperor Shennong was the father of Chinese agriculture and medicine. Why did he carry out further investigations about tea? He was very excited about the plant and its amazing flavor, so he carried out further investigations. Good answers, children.